Today we're working on a GE washer, and the customer complaint was the really loud banging of the drum. As you can see, the whole drum seized. It's not even going to move. So today we're going to do a big job. We're going to take the dryer down, take this whole thing apart, and we're going to replace this guy. And now that we have the dryer down, we're slowly working on our way. Here we are with the brand new inner tub and spider bracket assembly. And again, this is the old one for comparison. All right, so job's complete. We put everything back together. Washer is spinning back at full speed again. We made sure to test it for leaks, nothing yet. I think it's a job well done.